Right, here we go. Come on, where's the other one?
Come on. Got your camera with me?
Yep.
Oh no.
Oh, that's caused chaos.
Right, here goes the food. Mind this curry.
Yeah.
I'm worried about them jumping on it.
Yeah, oh
Over
yeah, that's
here.
true.
Oh. Hello. I need to just get a little bit. Just, okay. Ready to go?
Yeah. Oh, he's nearly knocked it off.
Dear. That's it. How long can you run it for?
Ages.
Come on. He's alright. Look, nearly finished.
Yep, nearly. It's all going to be over in a matter of about a minute and a half.
Oh no. Oh look, it's gone. How long did that take? Does that doesn't do voice mode, does it?
Voice, yeah.
Oh, does it? Oh, faint. Come on. That was nearly a whole full. But they're getting quite podgy, so I'm not bothered about giving them any more. So, well, I don't think people want to look at any more than just cats feeding. It's gone now.
I don't care, it's for my fun.
It's a happening. It's happened. 1, 2, 1 bit left. Mind you, the other one's catching up now.
Yeah, he is now, yeah. It's coming up in the final straight.
That's it. Now they go straight to the toilet. Part 2. That's what they did.